Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Hyundai Kona GLS, 2.0 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 34,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, fresh inside and outside. (2017 model Mazda 2 top of the line, 1.5 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 59,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire. (2017 model Subaru XV Crosstrek Edition, 2.0i gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 58,000 kilometers mileage, all-wheel drive, well-maintained. (2019 model Toyota Rush G, 1.5 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 62,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, complete casa records, 7-seater. (2016 model Mazda 3 Hatchback 2.0 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 44,000 kilometers mileage, upgraded black mags, sunroof, full leather interior. Top of the line, 2021 model MG ZS Alpha, 1.5 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 17,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained, panoramic sunroof, push start engine. 2017 model Toyota RAV4 Active, 2.5 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 39,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, absolute black body color. (2023) Geely Coolray Sport Set top of the line. 1.5 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 16,000 kilometers mileage with records, push start, panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera. (2014) model Mitsubishi Lancer EX GLX, gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 43,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, fresh in and out, well-maintained, with previous CASA records. (2019) model Mitsubishi Xpander GLX, 1.5 liters gasoline engine, manual transmission, 25,000 kilometers mileage, cruise control, all power, all original, all stock. Top of the line, 2019 model Suzuki Vitara GLX, 1.6 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 21,000 kilometers mileage with CASA records, first ownership, well-maintained, panoramic sunroof. (2018) model Nissan Urvan ND350 Premium, 2.5 liters diesel engine, automatic transmission, 38,000 kilometers plus mileage, first owner, 15-seater, all stock, all original. 2019 model Hyundai Kona GLS, 2.0 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 47,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, touchscreen radio, cruise control, steering wheel controls. (2017 model Subaru Outback, 3.6R gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 52,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained. (2022 model Chery Tiggo 8 Pro, gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 7,000 kilometers mileage only, pristine condition like brand new, free 3-year preventive maintenance, 7 years general warranty, vehicle registration until 2026, panoramic sunroof. (2014 model Ford Fiesta S, 1.5 liters gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45,000 kilometers mileage with records, first owner, well-maintained, all power, all original, all stock. (2015 model Suzuki Swift Hatchback, 1.2 liters gasoline engine, super fuel efficient, automatic transmission, 47,000 mileage with service booklet, first ownership, well-maintained. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.